This is a 1958 Chevy Cameo truck. A beautiful color called Coral, C-A-Y, Coral. And it's two-toned with that kind of eggshell white color. Makes a very nice combination. And you can see that styling aspect here in the truck bed. These trucks are becoming more and more like passenger cars in terms of decoration. The interior, you can see, is a two-tone that matches the exterior. Nicely done. Full wraparound windshield, and the has a visor over the windshield. And the truck bed looks in perfect condition. Wide white walls. And you've got an interesting bumper here in the back. Chrome and color of the vehicle combined. Interesting. Nice wooden truck bed. This really looks like a show truck compared to the regular output of the day. Definitely showed what could be done. And now we have the hood up, so we'll be getting a look at the V8 under the hood. And there it is. Beautiful truck. And it's got style. And it's still practical.